Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Google phone setting guys, and in this video friends, I will show you guys how to change alarm ringtone sound on Google phone. Friends, we want to change guys, your alarm ringtone sound on your Google phone. So how to change alarm ringtone today friends, I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your phone setting to change alarm ringtone. So how to change? First we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it friends, click on guys your Google phone sound and vibration setting. So friends, we will click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration friends, scroll it. Friends, you want to change phone ringtone, you can change your phone ringtone. Friends, you want to change guys your notification ringtone. Friends, you can change your notification ringtone. So friends, you can see third option is default alarm sound. So I tap here. So which ringtone you like guys? First guys, select any sound. So I like this play sound. So I tap here, and which ringtone you like guys, select. So I will select this one ringtone, balloon ringtone guys, tap here. Save option, tap here. Friends, you can see alarm ringtone will change to get this balloon ringtone, and friends, you can increase and decrease this volume from here guys. So just click on alarm sound guys again, and guys you like this natural sound. So I tap here. Friends, you like this morning air. So I tap here and save option. So friends, you can see alarm ringtone will again change into morning air, and friends, you can increase this morning air volume. So like that guys, we can use guys this alarm ringtone setting. We can increase and decrease volume, and guys you can change your alarm ringtone from your phone settings search bar option guys. Tap here guys, search here guys, default setting, default alarm. Friends, you can see default alarm ringtone guys. We will search here guys, and guys we will tap here direct. Friends, you can change, select any sound, and guys tap on ringtone, which ringtone you like guys, like this carnival, and then save option, tap here, ringtone will change. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.